This is an 8.3 practice worksheet. We're going to determine whether each quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Write yes or no and give a reason for your answer. So it's the same as what we've been doing. It's a good idea to have your 5 ways in front of you to help you. Number 1, we have opposite angles congruent here. We need to know if these opposite angles are congruent. Well, there's 3 angles in that quadrilateral, and we know that quadrilaterals have 360 degrees. So what we'll do is we'll start with 360 degrees and we'll work with the angles that we know we have. We'll take those away. That leaves you with 112 degrees for this angle. So notice how both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Number 2, both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Number 3, these diagonals bisect each other. Number 4, these are alternate interior angles. Notice how they're congruent. That creates parallel lines. So now we have one pair of opposite sides that are parallel and congruent. So that is a parallelogram. Number 5, same kind of thing happening here that we have in number 5. We have parallel sides, we have congruent sides, but notice how it's not the same pair of opposite sides. So this is no. It could be a parallelogram if we knew more information. We can't prove it's a parallelogram. That's why I don't like saying yes or no, because this still could be a parallelogram. So you need one pair of opposite sides, congruent and parallel. We have that in opposite sides, but it's not one pair, it's both pairs. Number 6 is yes. Our opposite angles are congruent. Number 7, we have alternate interior angles that are congruent. That gives you parallel segments here. We have congruent segments there. So it's just like this one. This is probably a better representation of what the figure would look like than that. But it could look like that too. This is no. Same reason here. Number 8 is yes. Opposite sides congruent.